Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to install MIUI 10 on Redmi Note 4. So without any further delay, let's get started. Before flashing this ROM, you should have TWRP installed and bootloader unlocked. After downloading the ROM, move it to internal storage of your phone. Now reboot your phone to recovery. You can do this by pressing volume up and power button for a few seconds. Once you are in TWRP recovery, click on wipe and swipe to erase your current data. Now go to install and flash the ROM you downloaded. If you want GApps, then you can flash GApps package. I will leave the link in the description box below. After flashing both the files, reboot the system. If you stuck at MI logo, then do not forget to flash Lazy Flasher. Link will be given in the description box. ROM will take 10 to 15 minutes to boot, so don't panic. After first boot, set up your phone. I have already done this step, so I am skipping this. So initial review of this ROM is that the ROM is fluidic, there is no lag. I have seen some new animations. Now let's move to the settings. This ROM runs on 7.0, that is Nougat. Everything in the ROM seems to be working. I personally like the new notification bar, which has a blur accent. Now let's move to the camera. Camera is okay, but not too good. Portrait mode is still missing in this ROM. The new feature I liked is you get full HD recording with 60 FPS. The camera UI has been slightly changed. Now you can swipe to change between modes. So this was a short review on MIUI 10 for Redmi Note 4. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe this channel for more videos on MIUI 10. This is Yash signing out, and I will see you.